board game, cook, cycling, entertainment, enthusiast, exercise, gardening, indoor, interested in, listen to, martial arts, pastime, play an instrument, read, relaxing, sewing, sports, stressed out, swim, take part in, take up, video game, watch TV, go out,